Hi everyone, and thank you so much for watching my channel Nobody Turtle. In the last class we had completed illustration number 14, and in this class we will solve illustration number 15. So without any further delay, let's start with the question. The question says, a small retailer has studied the weekly receipts and payments over the past 200 weeks and has developed the following set of information, right? So here we have the weekly receipts and also the probabilities of getting a weekly receipt of rupees 3000. Okay. See, the probability of getting a weekly receipt of rupees 3000 is 0.2. A receipt of 5000 is 0.3. A receipt of 7000 is 0.4, and likewise it has given for 8 weeks, right? Using the following set of random numbers, simulate the weekly pattern of receipts and payments for the 12 weeks of the next quarter, right? So here some random numbers are given to you. Random numbers for receipt आपको दिया हुआ है, and along with that random numbers for payment भी आपको दिया हुआ है, right? So you have to use these random numbers, and what do you need to simulate? You need to simulate the weekly pattern of receipt and payment for the 12 weeks of the next quarter. For the 12 weeks of the next quarter, assuming further that the beginning bank balance is rupees 8000. So आपका जो opening bank balance है, that is your rupees 8000. The next question is, what is the estimated balance at the end of the 12 weekly period? Okay. मतलब आपका closing balance क्या होगा at the end of 12 weeks? And what is the highest weekly balance during the quarter? And what is the average weekly balance for the quarter? Right? According to the given information, the random number interval is assigned to both the receipts and the payments. Right? So this has been given to you. Now you need to calculate the answer. Before starting the answer, I would like you guys to know about this Triumph batch on Unacademy for CMA Foundation aspirants for June 22 attempt, and this batch has started from 9th March 2022. This is your chance to prepare with the top-notch educators in India. Similarly, Evolve batch for December 22 attempt for CMA Inter Group 1 aspirants has also started from 9th of March. Similarly, Evolve batch for CMA Inter Group 2 aspirants has also started for December 22 attempt, and it has started from 10th of March 2022. If you join these classes from today itself, then you can get the pre-recorded lectures, and this is your chance to study with the top educators of India and clear your concepts. Simply you need to download the Unacademy learning app, select your goal as CMA Foundation, click on get subscription, because this is a subscription which is more than just classes, because you're going to get live interactive sessions, recorded lectures with unlimited watch time, access to notes from all the educators at one place. Every fourth session is a doubt clearing session, updated study materials, and practice mock test papers. Let's talk about the subscription plan. You can get the CMA Foundation subscription at rupees 875 per month for 24 months, and likewise for 12 months and 6 months. And you can also avail a 10% of discount if you use my coupon code ANVESHA10, all in caps lock. You can see that on your screen now. So without any further delay, just go and check out my description box below and click on the link to get your subscriptions done today itself. So here, first in the first table, we will make a range of random numbers, right? So the first column will be of receipt, then probability, then cumulative probability, then we have to calculate range, जो कि हम लोग कर रहे थे. And next क्या है? Next है आपका payment वाला column. So payment का आपको लिखना है. Then you have to the probability of getting the payments is also given to you. Then we have cumulative probability, and also we need to calculate the range. So इसका cumulative probability क्या हो जाएगा? This will be 0.2. Then this will become what? 0.5, right? इन दोनों को अगर आप मिला दो तो ये आ जाएगा. Then you have to add these two. So this will become 0.9. Then this will be what? 1, right? Okay, so now we can calculate the range for this. The range will be what? 0, 0 से लेके, this is 2 zeros, so 1 minus this, like this minus 1, so ये क्या हो जाएगा? 19. Then ये जहाँ पर खत्म हुआ ये वहीं से स्टार्ट होगा. 20 minus 49. Then we have 50 minus 89, like 50 to 89. then we have 90 to 99, right? We got the range for all the receipts. Now we need to calculate the cumulative probability for payments. So this will be what? 0.3. Then again you need to add these two, 0.7. Then again these two, 0.9. Then again these two, 100, right? So इसका range क्या हो जाएगा? 00 to 29. 30 है, so -1, 29. Then it will be what? 30 to 69. Then again 70 to 89. Then this will be what? 90 to 99. So we got the range for the receipts and also for payments. Understood? Now in the next table we need to make simulation of data for a period of 12 weeks. एक 12 week के period के लिए हमें data simulate करना है. So how many columns do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the first column is for the number of weeks and the second column is for the random numbers given for receipt. And आपका expected receipt क्या होगा? ये random number देखना है. You have to put that in the range and you can get the expected receipt. Very simple, right? एंड नेक्स्ट कॉलम क्या है? रैंडम नंबर फॉर पेमेंट. जैसे हमने रिसीट का देख के यहाँ पर रेंज में डाल के हमने रिसीट का अमाउंट कैलकुलेट किया था. सिमिलरली यू हैव टू डू द सेम फॉर पेमेंट्स ऑल्सो. रैंडम नंबर फॉर पेमेंट्स आपको दिया हुआ है, देन यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द एक्सपेक्टेड पेमेंट और उसी जिस भी रेंज में वो फॉल कर रहा है अकॉर्डिंगली आप उसका एक्सपेक्टेड पेमेंट कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो एंड आप एंड में वीकेंड का बैलेंस निकाल सकते हो, राइट? So what is your opening bank balance? Opening bank balance is given as rupees 8,000, right? In the first week, what is the random number given for receipt? That is your 03. Now, come here and tell me 03 कौन से range में fall कर रहा है? 03 आपका first range में fall कर रहा है. So first range में what is the amount for receipt? It is 3,000 rupees. So here your expected receipt will be 3,000 rupees. In the second week, your random number is 91. 91 falls in which range? In the last range. So your expected receipt amount will be 12,000 rupees, right? Similarly, in the third week, your random number is 38. 38 कहाँ पर fall कर रहा है? In the second range. So your expected receipt will be 5,000 rupees. Fourth week में आपका random number है 55, which falls here. So your expected receipt will be 7,000 rupees. Your fifth week आपका random number कितना है? 17, which falls here. So it will be 3,000 rupees. Then we have 46, which falls here. So it will be what? आपका 46 कहाँ पर आ जाएगा? 46 आपका fall करता है second range में. So it will be 5,000. And likewise you can easily calculate the rest of the expected receipt amounts. राइट. सो 32 का आपका कितना है? 5,000. सेम सिमिलर रेंज में दोनों फॉल कर रहे हैं. 43 का भी आपका सिमिलर रेंज आ जाएगा. देन वी हैव 69. सो 69 आपका फॉल करता है इन द थर्ड रेंज. सो इट विल बी 7,000 रुपीज. 72 ऑल्सो 7,000 रुपीज. 24 ऑल्सो 5,000 रुपीज एंड अगेन 22 ऑल्सो 5,000 रुपीज, है ना? एंड नाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट द सेम फॉर पेमेंट्स ऑल्सो. सो इन द फर्स्ट वीक आपका पेमेंट क्या हो रहा है? आपका पेमेंट है आपका रैंडम नंबर फॉर पेमेंट इज 61. सो हियर वी विल चेक 61 falls in which range? In the second range. So your expected payment will be rupees 5,000. 6,000, है ना? 6,000. Now ये कितना हो जाएगा आपका expected payment when it comes to second week? Random number 96 है which falls here, so it will be 10,000 rupees. Then we have 30. 30 falls in the second range, so it will be again 6,000. 32 also falls in the second range, so it will again be 6,000 rupees. Then we have 03. 03 मतलब इसका पहला range में आएगा, right? So in the first range your payment is how much? Expected payment is 4,000 rupees. Then we have 8,000 rupees. Then we have 6,000. फिर आता है आपका 28. 28 also falls in the first range, so it will be 4,000 rupees. Then we have 88. Random number is given as 88. So 88 कहाँ पर fall करता है? In the third range, है ना? So third range में आपका amount कितना है expected payment का? 8,000 rupees. Then we have like 18 is your first range of payment, where your expected payment is 4,000 rupees. Then again we have 8,000 rupees, and lastly we have 10,000 rupees. Okay, so this was the most easiest part in the question, right? In the answer, sorry. Now we need to do the trickiest part. Trickiest part क्या है? We need to calculate the balance, है ना? We need to calculate the balance. तो आपको balance कैसे निकालना है यहाँ पर? You have the opening balance as 8,000 rupees. Then you received 3,000, and then you paid 6,000, right? Initially you had 8k, then you received 3k, and then you paid 6k. So how much is left with you? 8 plus 3, how much? 11 minus 6, that will be your 5,000 rupees. So in this very column, you have to calculate and you have to write the balance at the end of the week. Week end का आपको balance कितना है वो आपको लिखना है. So at the end of the first week, your balance was 5,000. Then second week का क्या हो जाएगा? You had 5,000, you received 12,000, and then you paid 10,000. So the amount will be 7,000. 5 plus 12, that is your 19. That is your 17. Minus 10,000, that will be 7,000, right? Okay. Similarly, you can calculate for the third week as well. 7,000 plus 5,000 minus 6,000, that will be 12,000 minus 6,000. It will be 6,000 only. Then we have 6,000 plus 7,000, that will be your 13,000 minus 6,000 will be your 7,000. Then we have 7,000 plus 3,000 minus 4,000. So ये हो जाएगा 10,000 minus 4,000, that will be your 6,000. Right? And likewise, you can calculate the balance at the week, at the end of every week. Right? 3,000 plus 5,000, that is 8,000 minus 6,000, that will be 2,000. I hope you're able to understand this. This is again 3,000. Then we have 2,000. ये आपका 3 plus 7 minus 8 हो जाएगा 2. Then we have 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7, that is 9 minus 4, that will be 5,000. And then we have 5 plus 5, 10. Minus 8 will be 2,000. And here it will be what? 2 plus 5, that is your 7,000. Minus you are paying 10,000. So at the end, ये क्या हो जाएगा आपका? Minus 3,000. Right? Okay. Now the question is what? The question is saying कि estimated balance at the end of 12th week. Estimated balance at the end of 12th week will be rupees minus 3,000. आपका ये नेगेटिव में चल रहा है ना? Minus 3,000. और आपका हाईएस्ट बैलेंस पूछ रहा है. हाईएस्ट बैलेंस आपका कहाँ पर है? Go and check. At the end of the fourth week, you have 7,000 rupees balance, which is the highest at the end of second and fourth week. So your highest balance will be 7,000 rupees, and your average balance during the quarter. So to calculate the average balance, first you have to calculate the total amount of balance. Total कितना हो रहा है यहाँ पर? Let's calculate. 5 plus 7, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 7, your 25. Then plus 6, you have 31. Then again 31 plus 3 is 34. Then 36, 39, 41. Then 41 plus 5 is 46. 48. 48 minus 3. 48 minus 3, your total is coming as 45,000. 45,000 divided by, you have 12 weeks, so average calculate करने के लिए you have to divide that with 12. So ये कितना हो जाएगा? Rupees 3,750. So your average balance during the quarter is rupees 3,750 rupees. Understood? I hope this question is clear now. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, The Witty Turtle, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I'm posting some really good content over there, and you can find all the links for the classes on Unacademy in the description box below. So don't forget to check them out.